Custom computer builders looking for a way to add extra USB connections inside their computer cases may be interested in a new piece of kit unveiled by Thermaltake this week in the form of the H200 Internal USB Hub, specifically created for complex lighting setups. The internal USB 2.0 hub attaches onto the inside of your PC chassis thanks to integrated magnets and draws power from a SATA-power connector that plugs into a spare 9-pin USB 2.0 or USB 1.1 header on your motherboard. The Thermaltake H200 internal USB hub measures just 76.8 mm W x 21.6 mm H x 64.7 mm D in size and offers 6x USB 2.0 ports, 3 of which are Type A, and 3 9-pin headers, the 6x USB 2.0 ports, the second ports on each of the 9-pin headers split to the Type A port. Entailed with easy plug-and-play installation with the built-in magnet design. Stable connectivity with devices connected is assured thanks to the hub's premium SATA-power cable. Now get your devices synced up in no time. Unfortunately, no information on pricing or worldwide availability has been released as yet by Thermaltake, but as soon as information comes to light, we will keep you updated as always.